Welcome to our video about the 5 best metal detectors for every budget in 2023. We know it can be tricky to find the perfect metal detector for your needs and budget, so we wanted to make it easier by showing you the top 5 detectors available this year. We'll go over all the features and specs of each model, as well as their cost, so you can make an informed decision. So sit back and let's get started. The Bounty Hunter Mach 1 metal detector is a great choice for the beginner metal detector enthusiast. The Mach 1 features a target depth indicator, 4-segment target ID, 3 levels of discrimination to eliminate iron and other unwanted metals, 4-tone audio, and 3 levels of sensitivity control. With its lightweight design and easy-to-use controls, the Mach 1 is the perfect metal detector for detecting coins, relics, jewelry, and other metal objects. The Mach 1 also comes with a carry bag, headphones, search coil, and a 2-year warranty. The Nokta Makro Simplex Plus metal detector is an all-purpose machine designed for a variety of treasure hunting scenarios. It features an IP68 rating, which makes it fully submersible up to 3 meters and protected from total dust ingress. The detector also has an iron volume setting, which allows users to turn off or adjust the volume of the low iron tone. The notch discrimination feature helps users filter out unwanted metal target IDs. It comes equipped with 4 search modes: alt metal, field, park, and beach. Plus, it has fabulous lighting for night and underwater use, including an LCD backlight, keypad backlight, and LED flashlight. The Minelab GoFind 66 metal detector is a comprehensive and powerful metal detector designed for serious treasure hunters. It is equipped with advanced features such as automatic ground balance, pinpoint mode, and advanced discrimination technology. The GoFind 66 also comes with a smartphone holder, earbuds, digging trowel, 2 camouflage skins, a metal detector registration card, and a carry bag for easy storage and transport. With its easy-to-use interface and powerful features, this metal detector is perfect for any treasure hunter. The Garrett AC Apex metal detector is a powerful, easy-to-use device that can set you up for success in your metal detecting endeavors. It comes with wireless headphones included, making it easy to detect without disturbing the environment around you. The intuitive and efficient controls allow you to quickly locate and identify metal objects with the 6 detection modes and pinpoint accuracy. The high-resolution brown balance feature helps to reduce interference from minerals in the ground, while the 5-tone audible target ID can help you determine what kind of metal you've detected, with its lightweight and long battery life. The Minelab GPX 6000 gold detector is a powerful professional gold-finding machine designed for advanced treasure hunters. It features advanced technologies that help to accurately detect gold, including GEOSENSEPI, which precisely analyzes gold signals while eliminating competing ground signals. Additionally, the GPX 6000 is capable of detecting small fragments to large nuggets and everything in between. It also includes 2 included coils, an 11-inch monoloop coil for balanced ground coverage and precise pinpointing, and a large 14-inch double D coil that can accurately detect even in salty environments. The GPX 6000 also features Easy Expert Mode, which allows users to go from novice to knowledgeable in just a few swings without continually changing the settings. With its lightweight design, long battery life, and advanced features, we hope this video has helped you find the best metal detector for your budget in 2023. For more details, check out links at the description below the video. Good luck with your search and happy hunting!